Hi there, my name is Eeshi-Ra Hart and I'm absolutely passionate about the power of sound to bring transformation in our lives. Since 2001, I've been working with frequencies called the Solfeggio, and these speak to our brain. They help rebalance us, help us feel more clear, better focus. They also speak to our bones, so they can help us heal faster. And it also speaks to our DNA. So if you've got a wound, you've got pain, it can relieve pain in just 10 minutes. Headaches, gone. And I've also been working with frequencies which are tuned into the earth, tuning into the yang aspect of earth above us. This can help protect us from EMFs, so the EMF radiation we get from technology. And we can also tune into the earth, the geomagnetic, the yin aspect of earth. And this can help in so many ways, particularly helpful for Parkinson's, very good for insomnia. And these are tools which are really brilliant and powerful for these changing times. We have so much stress in our society. And with so much technology today, it's beautiful to have something as a tool that can quickly, effectively, and so easily, simply by placing a tuning fork on the center of your body. This starts to vibrate 12 times faster through the whole skeleton. And as those vibrations reach certain places, they help to open up stuck energy, help us breathe more deeply, help us release energy which we've been holding, and that helps things flow more easily. And so we can come back more easily into balance, sleep better, feel better. So I hope you feel inspired to bring sound as a tool in your life today. Check out my website. I've got lots of sound healing audios, tuning forks, different sound healing instruments, ebooks, videos, and I've got a lot on my YouTube channel that you can check out. Learn more how we can use the voice to help clear out, become all that we can be. So thanks for watching. Wishing you a loving and peaceful day.